church, sa Pamilya Cornales, kay Sunny, kasama na natin. Kaya natin ang salita ng Diyos ang maging comfort natin sa ganitong mga panahon na pagdadala natin. Kaya po, basahin ko itong salita ng Diyos from the Gospel of John, chapter 14, from verse 1 to 7. Sabi nito, "Do not let your heart be troubled. Believe in God, believe also in me. In my Father's house are many dwelling places. If it's not were so, I would have told you, if I go to prepare a place for you, and if I go and prepare a place for you, I will come again and receive you to myself, that where I am, there you may be also. And you know the way where I'm going." Thomas said to him, "Lord, we do not know where you are going. How do we know the way?" Jesus said to him, "I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father but through me. If you have known me, you would have known my Father also. From now on, you know Him and have seen Him." Ang Diyos ang magpala sa Kanyang salita.